Hi, I'm Ed Schaefer, a leadership coach passionate about helping professionals create systems for sustainable success. In today's video, we're exploring two powerful strategies that can elevate your productivity and engagement: gamification and theme days. These approaches aren't just trendy buzzwords, they're evidence backed techniques that can turn your work week from overwhelming to intentional and energizing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement gamification and theme days, avoid common pitfalls, and adapt these strategies to fit your goals and working style. Ready to take control of your week? Let's dive in. Let's start with gamification. In its simple form, gamification is adding game like elements to non game tasks to boost motivation and engagement. Research in behavioral psychology shows that we're wired to respond to rewards and progress, whether that's a gold star in school or crossing off a task on a to do list. Here's an example. Imagine you've been procrastinating on writing a report. Instead of tackling it all at once, break it into smaller tasks. After each section, reward yourself with something you enjoy, like a coffee break or 5 minutes of your favorite podcast. This taps into your intrinsic motivation by associating effort with positive reinforcement. Gamification also works well with teams. I worked with a client who implemented a leaderboard system for sales goals. By turning progress into a visible shared achievement, the team's engagement and camaraderie skyrocketed. Of course, it's essential to balance competition with collaboration, ensuring the rewards align with team values. Here's a potential challenge. Some people find gamification distracting or overly complex. A solution? Keep it simple. Your rewards don't need to be extravagant. It's about creating small, consistent incentives that keep you moving forward. Now let's talk about theme days. Theme days assign specific focus areas to particular days of the week. This creates a rhythm that reduces decision fatigue and ensures you're addressing key priorities consistently. For instance, one of my clients runs a busy team and uses Strategy Mondays to plan the week's objectives and Follow Up Fridays to tie up loose ends. By dedicating set times for these activities, they've freed up mental space to focus on deep work during the rest of the week. Here are some common theme day ideas. Marketing Mondays. Focus on outreach and planning campaigns. Deep Work Wednesdays. Dedicate time to uninterrupted work on complex projects. Follow Up Fridays. Catch up on emails, admin, and reflections. What if your schedule feels too unpredictable for theme days? Start small. Even dedicating half a day to a single theme can create structure without feeling restrictive. Flexibility is key. Here's where things get exciting. You don't have to choose between gamification and theme days. They work even better together. For example, let's say you've designated Wednesdays as Deep Work Wednesdays. To gamify it, set a timer for a 90-minute work sprint. You stay focused for the entire session, reward yourself with a break, a snack, or even a quick walk outside. By combining the clarity of theme days with the motivation of gamification, you're reinforcing productive habits. Ready to try these strategies? Here's how you can begin. Start small. Pick one day this week to assign a theme, like Planning Monday. Use that time to outline your week's goals. Gamify one task. Choose a task you've been avoiding and add a reward for completing it. Something simple like a break or a treat can make a big difference. Iterate and adjust. These strategies are meant to evolve. Experiment with what works and tweak as needed to fit your style. To recap, gamification and theme days are powerful tools to bring structure and energy to your work week. Gamification keeps you motivated with small rewards, while theme days provide clarity and focus. Together, they create sustainable systems for achieving your goals. What do you think? Are you ready to give these strategies a try? Let me know in the comments which one you'll start with, or if you have your own methods for staying productive and engaged. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more insights on leadership, productivity, and creating systems for sustainable success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.